good.
See that part right there? That's the YouTube drop. Right there.
Right that there, one?
When it starts getting bad, right there is when hell breaks loose. Drop right there. But it's fun as shit. Just keep your body loose. Bernie, I was riding behind you. You're kind of tight. You're riding kind of tight. Like, so, no speed demon here. You know what? No rush, right?
Is there a line? Is there a line? If there was, which side of this gutter? I'd rather crash. Hey, what's the best way though? Seriously. Stay right? Oh shit. I didn't even get to the drop neither. Holy shit, that's nuts. Yeah. interesting. I rode most of it, to be honest with you.
That one section though, you're thinking, no way.
Yeah, there was 2 sections like that.
Alright,
But yeah, no, that was fun.
Yeah, but look, watch. You see that's spiral? I think look at the tail that we just did.
Yeah, I know. That's freaking nuts when you look at it. You realize how nuts it is. After you crash, you have to get back on the bike,
Yeah.
and you're just sliding all over. It's like super steep. I mean, there was only 2 sections that weren't doable, and those were the 2 I crashed on. I rode the rest of it.
A lot of trenches though, that wasn't mine.
Yeah. You know, it was steep as fuck.
50%? 60? Alright.
This is all rideable. Yeah, this is super fun. Heads up! Sorry, I didn't see you there. Can't see over that cliff. Woo! That was bad.
Those guys go, dude, they're not having even seen them. They're really loving it, huh?
Leave them be.
Let it be. Let it be.
Oh, gosh, dude.
That trail is bad. Yeah. I mean, every angle, it just looks crazier and crazier when you look at it. Yeah.
It's not just crazy when you're on it, you know you can't stop. You try to stop, you won't. That's the whole point, right?
It's so funny that there's that drop. I saw Fernie walking. I was like, is there a line? He's like, no. He's like, just get off your bike. I was like, I'd rather crash.
There is a line. You just gotta look 30 feet ahead and go.
Yeah, you gotta look back.
You can't see that far.
Or else you land into that, you know.
I couldn't see a thing. It's just cliff. I know what you're talking about 30 feet ahead.
I think they're coming down.
Oh, yeah?
They're on that big part. A steep part on top.
Maybe.
Where? I don't see anybody on that trail. I mean, they would be at the bottom by now if they were riding it.
We got down like less than 5 minutes, so.
Down that?
Yeah.
It's less than 2 minutes. It's just straight down. Unless you crash like me.
I think we get going, right? I'm ready to ride, eh?
Do this, guys.
Alright, guys. What?
Damn good.
Pure love. Oh, dang. How did Fernie get in front of you? Mark's like this again. Well, that's awfully nice of you. You alright? What's up?
Oh, keep on going. Go ahead, dude. You're good.
I'm like, you hurt?
No, I'm good. I had to stop for the dog.
Hit that branch! No. You good? Yeah, that's gonna be a long way. funnest fall I've ever had, man. Hit a gutter.
The gutter hole?
Yeah.
But overall, what'd you think?